Have you ever paid attention to the animations and effects of Control Center? We've used it many times. It's like this. We can do it very fast. And as you can see, the background gets blurry and these buttons appear in a very nice way. But now let's do it slowly. And as I'm doing it, pay close attention to the icons that you see. As I'm pulling my finger down the screen, the LTE icon and Wi-Fi go all the way to the left side of the screen, and now you can see more information about my SIM card, and the background is blurry. Pull my finger further down, these buttons appear in a very nice and smooth way. I think it's very nice. Now, I want to show you something else. We've used the flashlight button many times, right? But have you ever noticed that the button and the icon actually changes when you turn on the flashlight? Do you see any difference between this button here when it's off and when it's on? See what I'm talking about? The small button on the flashlight icon goes forward and backward just like in a real world situation. I think it's very cool. And what's more is that if you press the Shazam button, it starts animating. And now I want to say that these are some of the cool things about iOS design that makes it look like very well thought out. And when you look at these things, you realize the people behind the iOS design really cared about iOS and how it should appear as a very natural extension of our world.